What's up guys, Joycon94 today, showing you guys how to completely improve your computer's speed, performance, and security. Yeah, I haven't made a video in a long time. I've just been partying and working and shit, if you're wondering. Everything's been good with me. This message is gonna keep coming up. Oh, never mind. No, now it won't come up. But basically, all that was gonna tell me to do is change this to a different color scheme, but it doesn't really make a difference. I've tried it before. And it only comes up when I'm recording. So, anyways, the link will be in the description to all the programs that I'm talking about, the downloads and everything. Most of these programs will be free. Some of them they are paid for, but you can crack them easily. I'm gonna have a link to the description. How to get Astrologic's Boost Speed 7 for free. This was done by the Golden Shark 19. That's the YouTube channel where I got the crack from. It's a super simple crack. Basically, just download something, a file, and paste it and replace it in the program file as a boost speed. And that's all you do to get the crack. But it's really simple. Anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna try to make this video as short as I can, but as fast as I can, or not as fast as I can, is the best I can. Sorry. So, anyways, let's start with the security, because that's probably the most important part of this video. I use Bitdefender Total Security 2015. I actually bought this. So yeah, but I paid $15 for 1 year or 1 year and 3 computers, so I can do this on 3 computers for a year, and I paid $15. How I did that is I actually ended up I cracked the program when it was Bitdefender 2013 or 12, and I used my actual email address, so I still get offers. Like I got one today, an offer to get the program for $25 for that same deal. But yeah, so I don't know how you want to do it. There's cracks on the internet, or you can buy it. The program itself, right on Bitdefender's website, is about $90. Another great antivirus program that you can get a full internet security antivirus program, and this is probably the best one you can get for free, is Komodo Internet Security. That's completely free. You can use that as much as you want. That's a great one. That's what I usually install on my friends' computers when I have problems. I've used it at work. It's a great program. They also have just a basic antivirus. It's all up to you. But any Bitdefender or Komodo antivirus program is which I would use for my full-time antivirus. What I have for secondary opinion is Super Anti-Spyware Free Edition. And actually, that Golden Shark guy, he has videos how to crack Malwarebytes and Super Anti-Spyware to get the full version of both of them. But I just use the free edition of it because it's not good to have two full-time antiviruses on a computer. They'll conflict with each other. But anyways, Super Anti-Spyware is a great program to get a second opinion. I just scanned yesterday with it. They have some cool tools, you know. You could do all kinds of shit, repairs, quarantine, all types of cool shit. I don't even know what's in my quarantine. Yeah, mostly just adware tracking cookies. Nothing major. But anyways, another great one is Malwarebytes Anti-Malware. Now, I don't have that on my computer only because Bitdefender and Malwarebytes don't get along with each other for whatever stupid reason. That's how it is, so I can't have it, but it's a great program. I use it at work all the time. It's super simple to use and very, very, very effective. It's probably one of the best antivirus / malware programs out there, if not the best, probably. It's one of the top 5, I would say. Great program, and finds about everything and removes everything without pretty much any hassle. But anyways, yeah, so that's for protection. I mean, you know, security. Next thing I'm gonna talk about performance and speed. So before you download anything, you guys noticed if the last video I uploaded where I showed my computer, I had icons all over the place, all the way up to here. You know, all I did is I made all the videos and movies and TV shows I downloaded, which is 31 gigabytes, which is a lot. But I put all of them in a file, all my music, so CDs I downloaded, all my shit from my jailbreaks, the jailbreaking tools, that kind of stuff, ISO files, all that stuff, all my hacking tools, which I don't ever really use, but you know, that has Cain Enable and booters and, you know, all type of shit like that. Protection Informants, you know, that's just these programs, which I actually think I got rid of that. If not, I'm going to, along with this and this, because I don't need them. I can get rid of that. And that's what I was going to say. Just go through your computer and honestly just uninstall shit. Stuff you don't need. If you're not sure about it, Google it first. You don't uninstall something you actually want or need. It's important, but uninstall a bunch of shit you don't need and delete all the extra bullshit you don't need. Any old videos or pictures or shit you don't care about anymore, any old music, whatever you don't give a shit about, just delete it. Get rid of it, because the less stuff on your computer, the easier it is for the computer to function, and, you know, it's just going to make it faster. Same thing with the icons. The reason I made less icons, because when you boot your computer up on the startup, the more icons it has to load, the longer it's going to take, and I noticed that after I got rid of all those icons, I didn't boot my computer until this morning. I reboot it in the morning before I go to work, or I turn it off in the morning before I go to work. When I come home, I turn it back on. Startup time improved drastically, but we'll talk about that more later. Another thing you can do is make your background just a plain black background instead of having a graphic or anything like that, because again, it has less to load, so it takes less time, and it's obviously going to be faster. So yeah, you can run defrags and all that shit. So let's get into programs. First program I'm going to mention is CCleaner, or CCleaner I mean. That's a free program. It's very simple to use. You just go to it, run cleaner, close the internet out, and that will clean all your temporary bullshit, all this stuff. You can see it. Applications, you know, that'll clean all that stuff. As you can see, and it deleted 31.9 megabytes. Registry, you go to scan. By the way, I'm thinking you guys should be able to figure out how to use Super Anti-Spy, where you just hit scan and update. Basically, it's pretty simple. Same thing with Bitdefender. I'll plug my computer in just because. Actually, I'll leave it unplugged. It's fine. So this program is really cool. You can do stuff with the startup. Now, if you're just a basic user of your computer, you know, if you just check your Facebook, you know, maybe watch a video or two on YouTube, do your emails, and, you know, that's pretty much it. All you really need is CCleaner and Bitdefender's free antivirus or Komodo's free antivirus. You don't really need all this stuff. If you're someone that watches a lot of, or downloads a lot of movies and torrents and shit, or is cracking programs, you're going to want to have a more comprehensive security program like a full-time antivirus like I have. And then if you're doing any type of hacking and stuff, you definitely want to have the stuff I'm talking about. But, I mean, even if you're just a basic user, if you want your computer to run tip-top shape, you can do what I'm doing. So anyways, yeah, just follow what I just did. You can uninstall shit from here. You can disable things from the startup, which, again, is a big thing to help. Just get rid of everything you don't need from the startup. You know, like this shit. Don't need it. Get rid of it. But we'll talk about that in a second. Alright, next program is Astrologic's Boost Speed, or Austrologics. I don't know how the fuck to say it, to be honest, but it doesn't really matter. Another good program is Speedbit Video Accelerator. That increases your buffering, just makes it faster on videos, so that's pretty cool to have. So this has a really simple concept. You just hit scan all. It'll do all that shit for you. Privacy. It does that sometimes. But anyways, privacy, you know, a dot website traces is kind of funny. But yeah, it does. It'll log your dot websites and shit. So just, you know, scan for privacy threats. I will not lie. Access the dot websites. Don't care. But yeah, live speed. You can turn some of this shit off. I have this stuff on, you know, but it might slow you down honestly to have this stuff on. But I haven't really noticed it, so it's fine. But the Action Center, you know, that's, you can add their ad blocker and all this type of shit. I don't need it. All tools. Now this is where it gets really cool. They have a disk defrag, which, you know, you can, that comes with any Windows computer. Registry cleaner, that's something that comes, as only this program has. I think CCleaner has it. Registry defrag, which will make a difference. Startup manager, this is pretty cool. Tweak manager, I really haven't messed with that. I'll probably mess with that later on, just to see what the hell it is. You know, you can disable dangerous ones, and you can just basically just go through here and, like, for example, update starter, I don't need that to run. Delete it. HP advisor, delete that. You know, Google installer, you don't really need that. I'll leave that there though. The start menu shit, you know, delete it. And, you know, just delete shit that you don't really need. And like I said, just go through and Google. You can even right here, you can just click that and boom, Google it. It'll Google what it is, and you can find out if it's safe to delete or not, or if it really needs to be on the startup. Moving on. Duplicate finder, this is cool. You go to there and it scans all your duplicates, and just basically all I did is an option to select one from each group and delete one duplicate, so it'll remove some space. And this doctor, this is text for drive errors. That's done in this, I'm pretty sure. Okay, then by the way, you just hit pair, that's it. Oh, and just to show you premium version, by the way. System information, which that SPC program you saw earlier is what that does basically, so you can just get rid of that internet optimizer. You just go to it, launch, and choose your megabytes, and in there, it has a thing right on there that says check your actual internet speed. It'll bring you to the Internet Explorer, bring you to a speed test, and then normally your speed's gonna be higher than these, but I just do this one usually, and I do it once. You can also do it manually if you know what you're doing. Task Manager, that's just more advanced. Service Manager, the same thing. It really doesn't do much. Browser, okay, this is pretty cool. You can go to this and it will clean up your browsers, and just if you have pop optionals, which is potentially unwanted programs, it'll get rid of those. This program just does a lot of cool shit. So, that's pretty much it, guys. Again, like I said, just delete icons you don't need, delete programs you don't need, or uninstall them, delete files you don't need. That will help a lot. Just be careful. Don't obviously delete any program files unless you know what you're doing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You'll definitely notice an improvement on your startup time and everything. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll be back soon, like I said, to make newer videos when the new Call of Duty comes out. Alright, hope you guys like this video. Please remember to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Joey Kong 94 out.